Hello everybody, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. You guys, I'm still sick. I'm so sorry about my voice. I know I sound horrible and I feel even worse, guys. I feel worse than yesterday. Today I have been super dizzy and weak and all those symptoms of the flu. So that's why you haven't seen anything from me earlier this morning, because I just been having an awful day. But I am here now, and I wanted to share with you a shadow box that I made today. I think I'm gonna add a few more embellishments to this, but this is how it looks so far. You can see that butterfly. That butterfly is from Pier 1 Imports. I got it from Pier 1. I've gifted a few of them. I think I sent one to Annie Creates, and I also sent a couple to Miss Judy from my scrapbook loft. And I still have a few more. So they are so beautiful, and I've been using them for my crafting. So this shadow box is from Dollar Tree, and I used that paper from a Michael's paper pad, and I don't remember the name. Oh, the name of the paper pad is Goodland and Wings. Look how pretty it is. It has little birds and butterflies. Super pretty. You guys, sorry, that's my son screaming outside the door. This one here, that's one of the cut aparts from the same paper pad. It says happiness blooms within. It has a butterfly right there. And I added some of those foam flowers in this corner here. Those are like a peachy color. I think it goes perfect. So I'm gonna add some more things to this shadow box, but this is how it looks so far. You guys might see how it looks at the end in another video. I'll share it when it's completely done. This is going to go in friend mail. I don't know if I said that, but that cut apart piece there, it's raised. I raised it up with that foam sticker. And I hope you guys like this. I did something else today. Well, I've been crafting a lot, so let me just show you a couple more things that I have. Okay, you guys, this is something else I have. This is, I have been recycling some things lately. This is how it is on the inside. It's blue. This is one of those formula cans. My son Augustine, if you guys know, he has autism and he has some issues with eating and all that. And look how expensive this is. $13.99 for a can of formula. Well, this is one of those cans, and I have so many because he goes through like one can a week of the formula. So I'm like, I'm gonna start recycling these cans, and I just use some of that same paper from that same collection of Woodland and Wings from Michael's, and it's blue with some rose gold birds, and I decided to use that paper to wrap it around the can, and I added some of that trim that I had from my stash. I've had that for years. You guys, I've always been a crafter, so I have a lot of stuff. I even found my embossing tool, my heat gun, and my embossing powder the other day. I was super excited. I need to start doing that again. I added this cut apart here, and I raised it up. And it says beautiful. I think that's super cool. And I show you on the inside it's blue. Let me show you the bottom part. So the bottom part is also blue. I had this felt left over from another project, so I used it on the bottom. So I have been recycling. You know, it's good for the environment, and why not turn something that was gonna end up in garbage in something that you can use. So I am thinking that you can use this to like put your tools in here, you know, on your desk. You can use any paper you want. You can use fabric if you want, felt, any kind of material that you have around. And you can just make this look prettier and use it, you know. So this could be for scissors or for pens or markers or brushes or anything you want, guys. So I hope you like this idea. You can use like formula cans or coffee cans or just anything, you know. So guys, I have another one. Hold on. Okay, you guys, this one is the same kind and it's the same paper. And I added another cut apart here. It says Fly High from the same paper collection. This one is not done on the inside. I need to cover the bottom. I didn't do that yet. This is not finished. But I think I raised this up too much. But you know, it said Fly High, so that's why I did it higher up. Anyway, guys, in the bottom, I think I used also a piece of fabric that I had left over from another project. Let me show you. It's not the same blue felt, but it's also blue. So hold on. So this one in the bottom has this sequin, blue sequin fabric. And I had this left over from another project. Like I said, it was just a scrap piece of fabric, and I decided to put it in the bottom, and I have another piece that I'm going to use to put on the inside, so it's going to match. It's going to be on the outside and on the inside of the can. And as you can see there, I raised it up a lot. I put it like 4 times. And so I'm gonna do that on the inside, and this is gonna be pretty much done. I think I might add some trim maybe on the just to cover that foam sticker that I used to raise it up. Maybe I'll add some like eyelash trim or something like that just to cover it a little bit. We'll see. If I do something else, I'll show you again in another video, guys. But this is so far what I did, and I hope you like it. You know, I hope I gave you an idea to recycle some of the things that you you know, might like put in your garbage or in your recycling bin, but you can use it to you know, store your crafty items. So guys, let me know what you think about this. I'm looking forward to reading your comments down below, and I hope you are having an awesome Wednesday. I hope your day has been better than mine, and I will see you again soon, okay guys? And stay tuned because I have more shout outs videos coming. I need to make them public so you can see them, and I'll do that in a minute. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye guys.